everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier, more beautiful you. Today, we're diving into a natural and cost-effective way to whiten your teeth using something you probably already have in your kitchen, baking soda. But before we get started, I want to share with you an amazing product that can give you professional-level teeth whitening results right at home. It's the LED Teeth Whitening System. This system uses advanced LED light technology to remove deep stains and give you a brighter, whiter smile in just a few sessions. If you're looking for faster results with minimal effort, check out the link in the description below to get your own LED teeth whitening system today. Number 1. Benefits of baking soda for teeth whitening. All right, so let's talk about why baking soda is such a popular choice for natural teeth whitening. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive that helps remove surface stains from your teeth. It's also alkaline, which means it can help neutralize acids in your mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and promoting better oral health overall. Number 2. How to use baking soda for teeth whitening. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of how you can use baking soda to whiten your teeth. Step 1. Start by putting a teaspoon of baking soda into a small bowl. Step 2. Add a few drops of water to the baking soda to make a paste. You want it to be thick enough to stick to your toothbrush. Step 3. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and gently brush your teeth in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Make sure you're covering all surfaces of your teeth. Step 4. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residual baking soda. You can do this once or twice a week, but don't overdo it. Baking soda is abrasive and using it too frequently can damage your enamel. Number 3. Tips and precautions. A few tips and precautions to keep in mind. 1. Always use a soft bristled toothbrush to avoid damaging your enamel. 2. Don't brush too hard. Gentle pressure is all you need. 3. If you experience any sensitivity or irritation, stop using baking soda and consult your dentist. And remember, if you're looking for a more powerful and quicker way to whiten your teeth, the LED teeth whitening system is a fantastic option. It's easy to use, and you'll see noticeable results in just a few uses. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start your journey to a brighter smile.